Hong Kong. Certificate of appreciation is hereby presented to Madam Mary Lusumanino, OWA Officer, Hong Kong, in recognition of your sincere support and valuable contribution during the Saringit Mother's Day celebration with its theme, Dearest Mamas. Given this 11th day of May at Molabi Hall, OWA Global Center, Queensway at Merrily, Hong Kong. Signed, Annalisa Gaspar, the President.
Okay. Wow. Ay, sorry. Dito tayo kasi may mga aesthetic.
Lahat po ng sarili kilawa, please join us for our shoot with Ma'am Balu. Picture.
Ako. Sino kayo? Lagis. Si Korea.
Close. Kung kayo yung picture.
Rhea.
Closer.
Yes. Nakakatawa kayong tingnan.
Kuha lahat na. Anak ko kuha lang.
Waki!
Waki-waki.